Welcome to Aadhar Munda Farm. This video show you how to set up and maintain goat farm in your home and get more revenue. Goat farming is the raising and breeding of domestic goats. It is a branch of animal husbandry. Goats are raised principally for their meat, milk, fiber and skin. Goat farming can be very suited to production with other livestock such as sheep and cattle on low-quality grazing land. Goats efficiently convert sub-quality grazing matter that is less desirable for other livestock into quality lean meat. Furthermore, goats can be farmed with a relatively small area of pasture and limited resources. Single goat requires 15 to 20 square feet of free space to roam around and be stress-free. Accordingly, for a planned goat farm of 10 goats you need to have 200 square feet of area to be on safer side. 20 to 30% of this area can be under a shade, i.e. 40 to 60 square feet can be provided with shade. As with other herbivores, the number of animals that a goat farmer can raise and sustain is dependent on the quality of the pasture. However, since goats will eat vegetation that most other domesticated livestock decline, they will subsist even on very poor land. Therefore, goat herds remain an important asset in regions with sparse and low-quality vegetation. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, the top producers of goat milk in 2008 were India, 4 million metric tons, Bangladesh, 2.16 million metric tons, and the Sudan, 1.47 million metric tons. 3/4 of the global population eat goat meat. It comprises 5% of worldwide meat consumption and 8% of red meat. Goat meat contains low amounts of saturated fatty acids and cholesterol. It is considered to be a healthier alternative to other types of red meat. Goats produce about 2% of the world's total annual milk supply. Some goats are bred specifically for milk. Unprocessed goat milk has small, well-emulsified fat globules, which means the cream remains suspended in the milk instead of rising to the top, as in unprocessed cow milk, therefore, it does not need to be homogenized. The skin of goats is a valuable byproduct of goat farming. Up until 1849 all rolls of parliament were written upon parchment usually made from goat skin. Another popular use is for drum skins. Parchment is prepared by liming to loosen the hair follicles. Male goats are generally not required for the dairy goat industry and are usually slaughtered for meat soon after birth. Provision of simple shed with low-cost housing materials is enough for sheep and goat for its optimum production efficiency. Sheds with mud floor are suitable for most of parts of the country except where high rainfall is observed. The sheds should be constructed in an elevated area to prevent water stagnation. Fodder trees can be grown around the shed, which acts as a source of feed for the growing goats. Clean drinking water should be available for goats. Sheds should be constructed with proper ventilation. Walls of the shed should be free from cracks or holes while constructing. Floors of the shed should be firm and should have the capacity to absorb water. The floors should be constructed in such a way so that it should be easily cleaned. Types of sheds depend on the system of rearing. Open-type housing with a covered area and run space is generally enough. The run space should be covered by chain links. The covered area is used for shelter of animals during night and adverse climatic conditions. For a comfortable house east-west orientation with generous provision for ventilation/air movement to dry the floor will be suitable. Thatched roof is best suited one due to cheaper cost and durability. However, corrugated asbestos sheets can also be used for organized farms to minimize the recurring costs or to have longer durability. Gable roofing is generally preferred. For small sheds lean-to-type roofing is advisable. When the animals are taken for grazing during the daytime and sheltered only during night, the covered space will be enough. When the animals are housed intensively, the pen and run system of housing is suitable. There is no restriction for the length of the shelter, however breadth of shed should not exceed 12 meter and optimum breadth of shelter is 8 meter. If you have any doubts related with goat farming, please comment on this video. We will give you possible answer.